Do you need to replace the power button on your Dell Latitude 9440? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unscrew the left and right cooling fans. Now unclip the locking tabs and remove the left and right cooling fans. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Now unscrew and remove the display cable USB-C bracket. Next, unclip the locking tabs and disconnect the LCD display cables. Now unscrew the left and right hinges. Then separate the LCD display assembly from the palm rest. Disconnect the left and right speakers. Then unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the power button cable. After that, disconnect the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the bracket and power button. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse.